Hi, I'd like to show you a quick overview of SIRS Issues Discoverer. So in order to get to that database, you need to first go to neisd.net to get to our campus webpage if you don't already have the library resources page on your desktop. Go to schools, click on Wood. Once you get to Wood Middle School, go to For Students, click on the library. This is the Wood Middle School LibGuide. As you can see, library resources is right here. Click on the books with the apple icon. And it leads you to my electronic resources page. And right here is SIRS Issues Researcher. And that is the database we're going to explore today. And what I like best about it is there's many ways that you can explore this particular database. It is set up as pro and con. And what I'm going to show you is using a list, browsing by list. So let's go ahead and click on one of the topics, ADHD. And this is the page that you will go to. Notice to the left, it says at issue ADHD. This is the overview. And underneath are our research tools. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you what happens when you click more. To the right, you'll see this Pro-Con Issues Essential Questions, and here's your essential question. And it has the yes answer and the no answer, and underneath are links to articles which support the yes side and the no side. When you scroll down a little bit, you see other articles. And you can tell what kind they are by the little icon. This is a reference. This one right here is a newspaper article. To the left, you can narrow your search. You can narrow it by type, newspapers, magazines, viewpoints, reference. So I'm going to go ahead and click on newspapers because all I want to see are newspapers. It's now only giving me, it's only showing me the newspapers. It is assorted by date, so the most current is the top one. What I really like about this is that it provides a summary, so you don't even have to read the whole article to see if you're going to use it for your research. So here's a summary right here of each article. It also has subject headings. So all of these subjects right here, there are also links relate to this article. If you were to click on one of these subject headings, it would also link you to other articles, magazines, different things that connect to this particular subject heading. So I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of what an article looks like. Let's click on this one, Dealing with a Drug Dilemma. Notice right here, it has places where you can go jump to. So if you wanted to go to the summary, you could click to that. If you wanted to jump to the citation, you could directly jump to the citation, which we will talk about in a second. Right here are those subject headings we were talking about, and you could find some similar. So if you wanted to look for mental depression and you wanted to look at drug utilization and behavior disorders in children, you clicked all those and find similar, you could click on that and it could really narrow down your research articles that had those three subject headings. Here is the article. And if you notice at the very bottom, there's a citation. A citation is for your bibliography. It tells the reader where you got your information. So if you do decide to use this article, go ahead and copy paste this citation. We use MLA here in Northeast, so copy and paste it. If you decide you're not going to use any of the information, then you don't need it. Your bibliography, you remember, is the list of all sources that you use to create your research project, paper, whatever you're doing with your research. At the bottom, if you're going to print it, click on Print View. You can email it, and there's other things that you can do with it. So it's really very user-friendly. When you are done with it, there is a really cool thing called Go to Back to Search Results, and you can click Back to Search Results. Now I want to go back up to here and look at this topic overview. When you click more, it takes away the articles at the bottom, but it gives you some points that you can kind of ponder in your research. So here's the topic overview. And again, there is that essential question. And then there's 3 articles that support the yes side, 3 articles that support the no side. There's also, if you click here, you can get more viewpoints. Okay, I'm going to go back. And then there's the different perspectives. There are quotes and where they come from. And then there's critical thinking and analysis that helps you kind of think about where you want to go, as well as additional resources, including a debate guide for those of you who are doing debate. This is if you're trying to, if you use any of this information, you're going to copy and paste this and put this in your bibliography. Excuse me. So in a nutshell, that is that particular database. There are other ways you can search. You can also type it in, and you should get very similar ways, I guess similar articles that will pop up. So if I wanted to look up dress code, here's dress code. And these are all, and it'll tell me the different things. It's not a big topic, but these are subjects, and you might be able to find school uniforms, and it might be a topic overview. There you go, topic overview. If you have any questions, please come see me in the library, and I will help you out. Hope that helped.